The gluten-free rice that detoxes your body and improves digestion. Black rice is a highly beneficial ancient grain, used to improve liver, stomach, and kidney function. Also known as forbidden rice, it was reserved only for Chinese royalty for hundreds of years. Nowadays, it is popular in Europe, Australia, and the United States, where it was only recently introduced. Black rice has a dark purplish-black color with a nutty, slightly sweet flavor. It is often considered a superfood due to its high nutritional content, in addition to the fact that it's naturally high in anthocyanins, which give the rice its unique coloring. In traditional Chinese medicine, it's even considered a blood tonic. It has an outer shell like brown rice, making it a little more time-intensive to cook, but you can speed up the process by soaking it for an hour. The anthocyanins in its content may help fight serious health issues like cancer and heart disease. One serving of black or forbidden rice contains only around 160 calories but is high in flavonoid phytonutrients. Black rice is also a rich source of important fiber, substantial mineral content and plant-based protein. A 1/4 cup serving of steamed organic black rice contains approximately 156 calories, 32 grams carbohydrates, 4 grams protein, 1.5 grams fat, 2.3 grams fiber, 0.7 mg iron, 4% DV. Researchers tested black rice bran and found it was a useful therapeutic agent for the treatment and prevention of diseases associated with chronic inflammation. It improves health in various ways, so here are some of its health benefits. Black rice health benefits. The most important health benefits of black rice include its effects on heart health, digestion, diabetes, weight loss, and chronic disease, among others. 1. Antioxidant properties. Anthocyanins are well-known antioxidants, which have the ability to reduce oxidative stress throughout the body and prevent the negative effects of free radicals. This can lower your risk of developing various chronic diseases as well as premature aging. 2. Protects heart health. Research studies have shown that black rice decreases dangerous atherosclerotic plaque formation in the arteries. This is very important for keeping arteries clear and preventing heart attacks and stroke. Epidemiological studies also demonstrate that anthocyanins consumed in the diet have a preventative effect on the development of cardiovascular disease. The anthocyanins in black rice can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels by reducing total cholesterol, as well as LDL bad cholesterol. 3. Helps slow down absorption of sugar in the blood. Studies have shown that when it comes to the risk of developing diabetes and even obesity, consuming whole grains is much more beneficial and preventative than consuming refined carbohydrates. Compared to eating processed carbohydrates that are stripped of their fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that help slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, black rice is a much healthier option. Black rice contains the entire bran of the grain where the fiber is stored, and fiber is able to help glucose, sugar, from the grain to be absorbed by the body over a longer period of time. When researchers examined white and brown rice consumption in relation to type 2 diabetes risk, they found that white rice was more likely to contribute to insulin resistance and diabetes risk. The substitution of whole grains, including brown or black rice, in place of white rice, white bread, pasta, and sweetened cereals may lower the risk of type 2 diabetes and other complications, in addition to keeping your weight in check and your energy levels balanced. 4. Better at preventing obesity than refined grains. It is very important for those with prediabetes, diabetes, or other forms of metabolic syndrome and insulin resistance to consume 100% whole grains, as opposed to processed white types that lack fiber. The same can be said for those who struggle with losing weight, since the fiber and nutrients in whole grain rice help shut off hunger signals and prevent overeating. Research shows that whole grain rice varieties can help prevent insulin resistance that is related to an increased risk for obesity. 5. Can help detoxify the body. Studies have demonstrated that consuming black rice can help detox the body and cleanse the liver of harmful toxic buildup thanks to the rice's high antioxidant content. In a recent animal study, the antioxidant statuses of blood, the liver, and one of the main arteries, the aorta, were evaluated in rabbits that were either fed refined white rice or black rice. Results showed that the rabbits fed black rice experienced less oxidative stress, also called free radical damage, contained more antioxidants in their blood, experienced detoxification in the liver and also had reduced plaque buildup in the arteries. The phytonutrients found in black rice help the body reduce inflammation and cleanse the body of harmful substances that can contribute to a wide range of conditions. 6. Improves digestive and metabolic health. Black rice contains an impressive amount of fiber per serving. The fiber in black rice helps prevent constipation, bloating and other unwanted digestive symptoms. Fiber binds to waste and toxins within the digestive tract, helping pull them out and contribute to regular bowel function. Black rice can also help prevent or improve cases of diarrhea, since fiber adds bulk to your stool. The dietary fiber found in black rice can also importantly help you feel full after eating and stay satisfied for a longer period of time between meals, potentially aiding in weight loss. Clinical research published in 2014 demonstrates how a diet high in dietary fiber from whole grain rice varieties has positive effects on metabolic parameters, including insulin resistance, which affect weight. 7. Naturally gluten-free grain. Like other rice varieties, black rice is naturally gluten-free grain. Many people today are sensitive to gluten, whether they are aware of it or not, but still test negative for celiac disease. After eating something with gluten in it, those with a gluten sensitivity suffer many of the same symptoms as those with celiac disease, a confirmed allergy to gluten, including bloating, constipation, diarrhea, nutrient deficiencies and an increased risk for developing leaky gut syndrome. Consuming forbidden rice in place of not only refined grains and processed flour products, but also all wheat, barley, and rye-containing foods, can help to eliminate digestive problems associated with eating gluten for many people. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.